This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for February 23rd, 2023. It's currently January 7th, 2023, 10:25 p.m. Eastern Time. The overall theme and behavior for the day is a sideways fluctuating incline, so a bit of a rally with like some sideways fluctuation along the way, but it precedes a decline. So that's important to notate that this card always precedes a decline. The behavior around the highest high for the day, we decline from the highest high through a support level, a key support level on at least a one-day scale that we recently broke down through once before. And behavior around the lowest low, we revisit a past opportunity at a key support level, and when we do some rotation along that key support level and there's a sharp dip within that period of rotation, that may bring us to the opportunity. I'm advised to trade around that's interesting. Not sure why this bar is here because it's not nullified. I'm advised to trade around a failed attempt to break through key resistance, followed by a decline through key support. It looks like it takes place here between like 12 and 2, roughly. In the pre-market, we have 3 pokes through the same price level, followed by a sharp decline off of the 3rd poke. More failed attempts to break through key resistance around the open, and then a decision between 2 leaders is highlighted early in the morning out of the open. There may be a bit of a holding pattern, and that ends with a notable move to the downside through multiple support levels, followed by we come up against the bottom of a range, and then there's a notable and unexpected move higher starting around probably uh, 10:45-ish. Really picking up steam by 11:30. Looks like we hit a crest or a peak somewhere around midday, like 12:15, 12:30-ish. There's a trade opportunity there at a critical technical price level. That's a critical technical price level that it's critical on more than just a one-day chart. It'll stand out on more than just a one-day chart, and then that's followed by bearish price swings that are notable based on the sneak preview card being a congruency there. There's a notable drop here, followed by a move higher, like a new local high, which means that we make a new low here in the 2 to 3 o'clock hour, or a new low after dropping off of that key technical price level. That's the sequence, and that brings us to like a rally in the last hour, sideways fluctuating rally in the last hour, breaking through horizontal resistance, creating a new local high. So we created a new low, and then out of that we created a new high. Towards the very end of the day, there's a crest or peak. We make it briefly before breaking back down through the same price level. It's like right around the close, and there's a notable reversal that'll stand out on a one-day chart there, run around in the close. Looks like we decline. We probably decline there. Rally ends, and we decline to key support where we do some sideways rotation there. But there's a definitive trade opportunity at the end of the day as well. It looks like to cash. Well, it depends on how you trade it, but you could have maybe done like a bullish scalp midday, or you could open up. I'd probably steer clear of this trade just to be safe. In any case, the following day we have the Dominion card, where we likely open higher in the pre-market, but with notable price swings in the pre-market. And that's the S&P 500 for February 23rd, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, follow that rule of karma, my friends. The whole purpose of the channel, the universe is a living thing. It's conscious, and it will not allow people to profit from this information without sending some of that back and forth to the universe. And that's the 5% forward, the 5% backwards, and then make sure whatever you spend that money out of, you spend it out of love. The universe will send it back to you tenfold in all directions, my friends. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.